How to share question sticker responses on Instagram stories is coming up next. Hey guys, this is Ankit from The Guy's Computer, and today we will be learning how to ask questions and share responses on Instagram stories. Now open Instagram on your cell phone. Right now I am using an Android phone, and to ask question on Instagram stories, click on the camera icon on the top left. Now either you can capture a photograph or you can select media from the gallery by clicking on bottom left, and here you can select any of the photograph. For example, I chose this photo, and now I can ask a question by clicking on sticker tab above, and here you will find an option for questions. Now you can write anything, for you can change the color by clicking on this wheel, and yeah, look. Whoa, how cool are the colors. So after that, click on send to, and now you can share this to everyone. So as I already had asked the question on my IZ, now I'll show you how to check the responses. Now click on your story, and here as you can see, this is my question, and I will click on seen by 204 people, and now you can see there are a lot of questions asked by the people here. Now to share the responses, you just have to click on this, and here you will find share response if you want to share it publicly, or you can simply send message. It will simply send a private message on to that Instagram user. So I'll click on this, I'll share the response, and I will just write something. Now I don't want to capture a picture, and even I don't want this. So I will simply click on this icon and select a color, and then tap, and look, the color had been changed. So now I can respond to this as well. At home, and that's it. So now I'll simply click on send to, and I will just share, and that's it. The first question had been responded. So in this way I'll be responding everybody. So in this way I will share question sticker responses on Instagram stories. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you had any trouble or any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you and goodbye.